I want to poach some pears. We've got halved pears. Add water just to cover. And then we've got 50 grams of sugar. For some flavor, we're gonna add some ginger slices and kombu. And we've got yuzu juice. So bring everything to a boil. Once it's boiled, you want to gently poach the pear for 10 minutes. This is the seasoned matcha whisk. This is brand new. The bamboo sides are still very curved. You want to pour in some warm water between 70 to 80 degrees. And you want to soak it for like a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, you will see the whisk has expanded, so they're not as curly anymore. So it's ready. But in a saucepan, add milk and cream, half the sugar from the recipe, and then bring it to just the boil from the sides. Sieve 2 teaspoons of good quality matcha powder, and then add 5 teaspoons of warm water. Just roughly cover the matcha powder. So you're aiming to get a micro foam on the surface. You can start to see there's a foam. Just keep going. And now it's ready. See all the foam? And then pour it into the milk. So by the meantime, you want to whisk egg yolk and the remaining sugar. So just whisk it until you can't see the sugar. So now the milk's warm. Slowly add to the egg, ladle by ladle. Just keep whisking as you add the milk, and then pour it back to the saucepan. Put it back to the hob. This time we're gonna cook it in low heat. And then keep stirring, especially the edges. It's now thicker than earlier. Coat your spoon with the sauce. And then if it stays aligned, it's ready. Pass it through a sieve. Serve it warm or cold. Add all ingredients into a mixing bowl. Here we've got mixed sesame seeds and toasted almonds and cold butter. Keep rubbing the butter in until you get this chunky, crumbly texture. Add the poached pears into the seasoned enamel pie dish. Spoon over a couple tablespoons of the sauce, not too much. And then top with the crumble. If you've got like these big lumps, just break them up a little bit. Just make sure it covers the fruit. And then bake it in preheating oven for 25 to 30 minutes.